My neighbor recommended 5-star, and they said that they were a great company, they were on time, they did great work, and that they would complete the job within a reasonable amount of time, which I think is very hard to find. Five-star scheduling makes everything so convenient. One, because they call you when they're coming, so you know exactly when they're coming. They tell you who is coming to your door, which made me feel incredibly safe, being a single woman. And they were very punctual, and they got everything done on time. Five-star really treated me with respect. I'm a single woman. I don't know a whole heck of a lot about air conditioning or heating, and they were very nice and polite in answering all my questions, explaining what it was that they were doing to me. They never talked down to me. They never patronized me. It was a very respectful experience. I would recommend five-star to all my neighbors and my friends. I don't have a lot of friends in Hendersonville because I'm new there, but I would recommend them if I could because I had such an exceptional experience with them.